Hello. This weekend, we had a phenomenal accident, which is the Venezuelan operation, and this will definitely put heavy clouds on the markets next Monday. Of course, we're going to see a lot of dramatic movements. It's not going to be easygoing week. So I believe a lot of unexpected movements in the markets are going to occur next week, and the stars of the next week are going to be the sectors that took part in the operation, which are the military, aerospace, and defense, as a subsidiary of industrials, and the energy, which is the core of the whole topic. Okay, so we have under the aerospace and defense Lockheed Martin, Boeing, RTX, General Dynamics. And in the energy sector, we have Chevron, which is the sole American company operating in Venezuela, ExxonMobil, ConoPhillips, Marathon Petroleum, Valerio Energy. For those who don't know, Venezuela holds the world's largest proven oil reserves. It has oil more than Saudi Arabia. It has oil more than Russia. Yet, due to the lack of necessary technology and sanctions, financial sanctions, uh, it's not effective in the global supply that much. Uh, so let's go to the. This is just a preface. Let's go to the fun parts here in the charts. This is the Brent crude chart. So as we can see here, the price has formed a slopey line. This is the weekly chart since 2020, and the price is very decisive in going lower and lower. What will happen next week? It depends whether the price is going to hike, go to upwards, break this line and go upwards, or go lower and lower. So you should put an eye on this chart because it's going to be the most affected chart. Um, if the military operation and the changes occurred in Venezuela caused the oil reserves to be much more popular, to be pumped more in the global supply. This means that the price is going to go lower. For those who don't know, the main customers for Venezuela are China and its allies. So, if the new administration decided to cut ties with these countries and stop supplying them with the oil, this, as you know, China is the biggest importer for oil. So the price, this means that the price is going to hike up and skyrocket. Especially once it breaks this line, it's going to be a great chance to buy breaking exponential moving average, simple moving average, a trend line. So it's going to be a great chance to benefit from the rise in the price. Probably, possibly, the price is going to be there will be a gap at the opening, but I believe that the picture is very gloomy here, and it's very hard to predict what will be the decisions and how the price is going to move. We have to stop and wait and see what will happen. Any word, any rumor will cause the price to move dramatically in either ways. Let's have it WTI to see whether the picture is going to be different. It's not very, it's the same almost, yet the Brent chart is much more clearer. Let's have a look at the S&P. This is the S&P weekly. I have said over and over that the price has formed five elite waves. We are in the fifth wave currently. Will the price to go a slight bit higher? Will it retrace from this point? I don't know. But within the last period of time, the last couple of months, the price was moving sideways anyway. So it seems like there is no much more interest in buying in the S&P. Let's have a look at the Loghead stock. But as you can see last week, let's see the last day, the price has crossed over the two moving averages, and last day in particularly, the price was completely over the two moving averages and seems like it's going to be much more bullish. This is for Lockheed Martin. Let's go to Boeing. Same for Boeing. The price is pretty bullish here. It's facing a previous resistance. I expect just expectation. I'm not advising you do your math, but I expect that it's going to be strong bullish from this point. Geopolitics, technicalities, fundamentals, all are saying that this stock is going to go higher. It's going to break the previous resistance. I'm not sure myself. I'm going to wait to see a close above the previous resistance level. Let's have a look at the oil sector. Yeah, despite the fact that the oil was very bearish last period, they yet the ExxonMobil was between choppy to bullish. It's bullish anyway. It's above the two moving averages. Has barely crossed over the resistance area, previous resistance area here. Okay, let's have a look at Chevron. Same last day, the stock price went skyrocketed. Okay, due to the operation in Venezuela. Um, let's have a look at a sneak peek at the other assets, something like the Bitcoin. I've spoken about the Bitcoin several weeks ago. This is the bigger picture, five elite waves, and broke under the and the rising divergence has just broken under the divergence, forming triangle here, symmetric triangle. Logically speaking, the price may break the lower band here and go lower. Realistically speaking, we have to wait until the price breaks under. I will wait until the price breaks either over this line or under this line to take whether if it's buying or selling decision. Let's look at the euro dollar. Nothing new. The price is still moving sideways. Long time ago, since almost 6 months ago. My plan is the same. Is I'm going to wait to see a bearish movement to go to sell this pair. I expect that the pound dollar is going to be the same. Yeah, the price has just broken and above the two moving averages, which is not a very good sign to start selling from this point. Let's have a look at the Ethereum, by the way. Yeah, Ethereum, the picture, the image in Ethereum is not very different from Bitcoin. It has formed a triangle, and at a very sensitive point here. It may go higher, it may go lower, but I believe it's going to be a breakout. So this, I'm currently waiting to see where the price is going to head. I'm not taking the leap yet. Um, One of the interesting charts was the FTSE last week. It has touched the 10,000 level, all-time high. So it was very strong movement on Friday upwards. Technically speaking, this means that the price should go higher. Fundamentally speaking, it doesn't make a lot of sense to me to for the price to go higher than that for multiple reasons. I'm not going to mention because I don't want to make this video longer than that. But if you have noticed, it's for the first time the price on the weekly chart has been moving for almost 6 months now without touching the exponential moving average at all. Never ever since the bearishness of April. So since May until now, this is almost 8 months. The price didn't touch the exponential moving average. It's a great profit for the index, but at the same time, it's very unusual. If we can go backwards, we won't find this long period without touching the exponential moving average. It's very strange habit or a reaction. So FTSE to me is same as the S&P, very hot to touch. Uh, so I'm going to be my main focus is going to be the magnificent four I have mentioned here, or magnificent these companies. I didn't count in. These companies are going to be my main focus. These stocks, in addition to the uh, oil price, the oil itself, are going to be my main focus. If the price of the oil went broke the line, I'm going to be a buyer. This is me. I'm not advising you. I'm just sharing with my thoughts and ideas with you. Kindly do your math before you take any decision. And thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe because you are going to learn a lot from these videos. These videos are based on real fundamental and technical analysis, not only sentiment. Um, be sure to subscribe and thank you very much.